Musamseleku posted a picture on his Instagram with Makumalo. That picture, it was looking like old picture or it's new because Makumalo, the way she was dressing, we know that Makumalo, she can dress very well when she is out with her husband Musamseleku, but now it's different. Since Musamseleku and Makumalo, they don't get along on season 8, Makumalo, she is not taking care of herself, even the makeup. We know Makumalo very well since Utando Nestembu season 1. Even that picture, it was showing that Makumalo was not happy. She was on serious. Musamseleku was trying to smile, but Makumalo, she can't pretend because Makumalo is tired to pretend. Look at the old pictures Makumalo with Musamseleku. She was always smile, look to Musamseleku, but now you can see it is different. Like Musamseleku was the one who forced Makumalo to be on that functions, because other functions Musamseleku, he can be forced that with Makumalo because Makumalo is a businesswoman. That's why look at Mayeni and Macele, the way they are dressing nowadays. They are dressing better than Makumalo. Makumalo was dressing better than Mayeni and Macele, but now those people, they are dressing better than Makumalo. Even her hairstyle was not beautiful. We know Makumalo's hairstyle, hair wig was not looking beautiful, guys. I don't want to lie. Makumalo dress well. She can do makeup, but when you look at that picture on his Instagram, you don't understand what's going on with Makumalo. Maybe Makumalo last time she was dressing have makeup to impress Musamseleku, but she saw that Musamseleku doesn't care about her dressing, about her beautiful, because Musamseleku didn't tell Makumalo was looking beautiful since we watched Utando Nestembu season 1 until season 9. Musamseleku was always saying negative things about Makumalo. Makumalo, you are not dressed well, what. But when she is dressing very well, he didn't comment about Makumalo. He have to look now the way she is looking in front of people. Makumalo was not looking beautiful. I don't want to lie. That photo, even you know that it's like it's a old picture, but it's a new picture. I look at Makumalo's body. We didn't saw that picture. You know that sometimes when you are telling your wife, it's very beautiful to tell your wife that you are looking beautiful. What? Musamseleku was always saying good things about Mangwawe. Mangwawe looks beautiful. What? Even Mayeni. But when it comes to Makumalo, he was always discouraged here. And now Makumalo doesn't care. Even Musamseleku says, tomorrow we want to go out. We've got a function. Makumalo can dress whatever she want to dress and doesn't care. Musamseleku can say anything about her dressing. Now she doesn't care because we know Makumalo, guys. Makumalo nowadays is not taking care of yourself the way. That's why people, they say you have to love yourself, than you don't dress because you want to impress a man. Because a man can disappoint you or that person leave you. You are not taking care of yourself. Makumalo all the time was doing makeup, dressing well because she want to impress her husband Musamseleku. But Musamseleku doesn't care about Makumalo. We didn't hear Musamseleku says, Makumalo, you're looking beautiful. Like he is saying to Mangwawe and Mayeni. When it comes to Makumalo, he can't say those words. And now Makumalo can't pretend. You know that even that camera, Makumalo was looking very serious. Makumalo doesn't care nowadays. And she doesn't want even to take pictures with Musamseleku. But Musamseleku can say, we can take pictures. That's why we saw Musamseleku posted his 4 wives, Makwela, Mayeni, Macele, and Mangwawe. When they've got a last season on diaries, he didn't post with Makumalo. Maybe Makumalo says, no, I don't want to take pictures with you. Makumalo nowadays is not comfortable to take pictures with the Musamseleku. Because sometimes you can pretend, but you can't pretend, guys, to a person who is always discourage you every time. Guys, it's very We want to watch season 10, what's going on.